Hey, this is Isaac, and you're watching this video because you're looking at how to monetize a gaming channel. And this is actually something that is something that I tried to figure out for quite a long time. If you did not know, I used to be a gaming YouTuber. I used to have a gaming YouTube channel. And now what I do is I help people make a full-time income on YouTube. And I get the question a lot of times from some people asking about picking a specific niche to build their channel on, if it's possible to do it doing gaming or entertainment related content. And what I want to show you today is actually this. So this is a website called Offer Vault, and it actually, what it does is it shows a lot of offers, a lot of affiliate marketing offers that you can potentially promote and get money. And if you look over here, it says lead. There's like two types of offers. There's lead or there's sale. And for these types of offers that say lead, basically whenever the company gets a new lead, as in when they get a new customer, actually it's not a customer, but whenever they get someone into their system, they pay the people who brought that person there money. So I actually just looked at two offers, and these two are actually games that are like really popular. You see them around all the time. One is World of Warships and the other is World of Tanks. I believe it's made by the same company. And basically all you have to do is get someone to sign up to play this game for free. It's a free game. So when they click and they sign up to play this game, you get paid $3.90. And this is very easy. And for this game, it's $5.10. And it's actually really simple. All you have to do is whenever you're making a gaming YouTube channel, you can from time to time play a game like this and then show, well, if you want to join me, then click the link below, sign up to play the game. And when they do that, you basically are able to earn $5.10 for each person, just for them to sign up and play the game. I think that's actually a very simple and easy way to make money without using a gaming channel, without a lot of specialized skills. Now, there's a lot of better ways to make a lot more money using YouTube, and that's actually what I help my clients with. And I actually made a training video to teach you the step-by-step of how to do it for yourself and make actually much more money than just $5.10 per sale. Although this is already a lot better compared to YouTube AdSense. How you can build a channel that will be making you a full-time income, and then eventually scaling up to the 6 figures and 7-figure level. And you don't need to have a lot of subscribers to do this. You actually can do this with very few subscribers, only a few hundred, and you'll be able to, at the very least, earn a full-time income. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, I put together a training, and you can go and take a look, and it will explain in detail how you can do this for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll be making more content like this to help add value to you in the future. Take care.